The length of an arc is a fraction of the circumference of the circle, determined by the central angle of the arc. The fraction is the ratio of the arc's central angle to 360 degrees. In this case, the ratio is 120/circ/360/circ equals 1/3. The circumference of the circle is given by 2 pi r equals 2 pi 5 equals 10 pi. Therefore, the length of minor arc AB is 1/3 asterisk 10 pi equals 10 pi/3. Adding the two equations together, we get 2x equals 6. Dividing both sides by 2, we get x equals 3. Adding the two equations together, we get 2x equals 16. Dividing both sides of this equation by 2, we get x equals 8. The diameter of the circle is equal to the side length of the square. Since the diameter is 10 inches, the side length of the square is also 10 inches. The area of a square is found by squaring the side length, so the area of the square is 10 superscript 2 equals 100 square inches. Since they bought 3 times as many bags of chips as boxes of cookies, they bought 3 times 24 is equal to 72 bags of chips. The x-intercepts of the graph of y equals f x occur where the function crosses the x-axis, which means y equals 0. So we need to find the roots of the equation f x equals 0. Factoring the quadratic, we get x1, x2 equals 0. Therefore, the roots are x equals 1 and x equals 2. So, a plus b equals 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. The diameter of the circle is equal to the side length of the square. The diameter of the circle is 2 times the radius, or 10 centimeters. Therefore, the area of the square is 10 superscript 2 equals 100 square centimeters. We can simplify the expression by expanding the products. X plus 2, x3, x4, x plus 1 equals x superscript 2, x6, x superscript 2, 3x4 equals x superscript 2, x6, x superscript 2 plus 3x plus 4 equals 2x2. Therefore, the expression is equivalent to 2x2, which is equivalent to 2x plus 10 after adding 12 to both sides. To find the cost per friend, divide the total cost of the trip by the number of friends /1200/6 equals /200. The area of a rectangle is found by multiplying its length by its width. Therefore, the area of the rectangle is 12 centimeters * 5 centimeters equals 60 square centimeters. The sum of the solutions to the quadratic equation x superscript 2 plus bx plus c equals 0 is given by b/a. In this case, a equals 1 and b equals 5, so the sum of the solutions is -5 divided by 1 is equal to -5. To solve for x, we can use the elimination method. Multiplying the second equation by 2, we get 2x, 2y equals 2. Adding this equation to the first equation, we get 5x equals 12. Dividing both sides by 5, we get x equals 12/5, or x equals 2.4.